This is going to be a March 2018 retake of elevator number 1 at the State Street parking garage in Sarasota, Florida, and it might be broken. Oh well. I'll never mind this, and I just realized there's a digital indicator. I never saw that because of the light. Hi. We're only going to take one ride on this one elevator, just because I don't have that much time, so here we go. They upgraded the chimes, but the elevator doesn't seem to be running quite as well. I'm not sure why they need to upgrade the chimes, but they did. And hopefully no one calls it. This is a little view out. Anyway, we're gonna go down now. I didn't show this, but here's a look down. That's a long way. I really like that chime. Anyway, here we go. 1, here's your cab view. Inspection certificate is actually expired, although there's probably a new one, it's just not on display. So now we actually have to pay for parking. It's not free anymore. And that'll be it.